back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, just hit the subscribe button below and subscribe for more videos. So on this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make your bed like an Instagram pro. Like we all see these beds. If you follow like deco channels on Instagram, you can see how they make their beds. So I thought I'll show you how you can make it nice. So when you're making your bed, it is always nice if you can tuck in the corners and not leave them hanging. You can leave the sides of the bed hanging, but the corners you have to tuck them in. So when it comes to pillows, you can have as many pillows as you want. If you put like 1 or 2 pillows, the bed looks a bit plain. So you can have like 4 or 5 or 6 pillows. I mean, you can go all out when it comes to this part of making the bed. I always have like 4 big pillows and in different colors, and also matching with the cover bed that I've got on, and also put like little cushions at the front. This is where you're gonna bring out your creative side, like, and go all out with your pillows, because pillows make the bed. And if you put like little pillows, as I said earlier, it makes the bed look a bit empty and like a kiddie's bed. Also, when you're putting the pillows, the big pillows, just leave a little space in between. Like as you can see on this video, there's like that little gap in between, and then you put like 2 cushions as well alongside the big pillows. To cover that gap, that's when you put a pillow that will stand out. Like you can basically put any color of the pillow to make the whole thing stand out. You can put, as you can see with mine, I've got a white and gray. I can either put that gray one and it can work perfectly, or I can put a white cushion to cover the gap and it works perfectly. I can put a black one and it works perfectly. I can basically just design it the way I want. You can put like gray, as you can see now with that one, that works perfectly as well. You can put white and gray. So that's the whole point of leaving that little gap in the middle, so that you can put like a pillow that can stand out. Like you can put any color basically. So this pillow that I'm putting on right now, it says, "With God all things are possible." I got it from To London. I'll link the website below. A bed without a throw is basically empty. It's just pillows and a cover bed, that's it. So you have to find ways to decorate it with throws. So I've got this gray throw that I'm putting on the white cover bed, and I've also put like a white throw on top. It's not the normal way that I normally do this way. Normally I just use the gray throw, that's it. But I just wanted to show you like different ways on how you can use your throws that are around the house. So you can either do it the way I did it right now, put a gray throw and a white throw on top. Like I love this throw with these little tassels. Like it is beautiful. Like I don't normally buy throws that are like blankets like this one, that's the gray one. I normally go like with the throws that I've got like a design somehow. But I just wanted to see how it looks with this gray throw. As I said, this is not the way that I normally do it, but I just wanted to show you that you can play around with your throws any way that you want. And also, like, this is the best part of making the bed. Like, you know, these Instagram beds like always have flowers on top of the bed. So I basically put this jar, like, I just put little stones inside of it, and then I didn't want to get rid of the jar. I thought, let me just put stones and put flowers and just make something out of it. It's just a small plastic jar. And just put candles as well, like flowers, candles, anything, diffusers, anything that you want. You can change it up and put different kind of mirror trays that you like, and put either just one flower or just candles on it on their own, or basically just put anything, just a candle and a diffuser, or flowers and a diffuser, or just flowers by themselves. I'm gonna show you another way on how you can put this throw. You can basically fold it to any way that you want, anything that you desire. It doesn't have to be just plain like that, the way that I had it before. You can just decorate it the way you want. You can even change up the pillows as well to a design that you want. If you change your throw or whatever, you can change up the pillows as well. I mean, this is what I like about having so many pillows, is that I can just basically throw in anything and just change it up at any time. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.